If you bought a new drone, you might want to pack it up and send it right back. Seriously, stop opening that box. The drone industry is about to experience an earthquake. Supply chain leaks have just dropped regarding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. These leaks are absolutely staggering. They're about to shake the entire drone world to its core. We're talking about a tiny drone packing unbelievable power. It has an unprecedented stacked sensor. It boasts mind-blowing 6K video capabilities. It features a next-generation miniaturized LiDAR night vision system. It even uses a revolutionary high-energy battery. This battery pushes flight time to a completely unbelievable 60 minutes. And here is the absolute craziest part of all. It still manages to stay under the strict weight limits. This completely bypasses standard FAA registration for hobbyists in the United States. Welcome to Educational Hub. This is your undisputed home for authentic and no-nonsense tech deep dives. We strip away the corporate marketing fluff. We dig straight into the cold and hard facts. We are here to help you make the absolute smartest gear choices. Today, we are breaking down every single verified leak. We are looking at patent filings and insider rumors surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. You're going to want to stick around until the very end of this video. We uncovered the leaked pricing structure and the official 2026 release roadmap. This information will completely change your mind if you are planning to buy a camera drone anytime soon. Let us start with the most massive upgrade. This upgrade has the entire filmmaking and creator community buzzing right now. We're talking about the camera and the sensor payload. Historically, the DJI Mini series has always been about making a compromise. You sacrifice a little bit of image quality to get ultimate portability. You give up the big sensors to keep the drone small enough to fit in your pocket. But DJI is taking that rulebook and throwing it straight out the window. According to recent internal leaks and incredible supply chain reports, the Mini 6 Pro is stepping up in a huge way. It is moving to a massively advanced 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. Let me explain why this is such a big deal. A regular sensor reads light line by line. A stacked sensor architecture processes image data exponentially faster. This means rolling shutter is virtually eliminated. You know that annoying jelly effect you get during quick pans? That wobbly look when you fly fast past a building? That is rolling shutter. With a stacked sensor, that jelly effect is gone. Your footage stays perfectly straight and cinematic. Furthermore, the low-light performance is expected to be industry-defining. A 1-inch sensor lets in a massive amount of light. We're talking about capturing clean and noise-free footage. You can get cinematic shots in the dead of night. You can fly when it is illuminated only by street lights or the light of the moon. But the resolution bump is where things get truly insane. The leaks strongly indicate that the Mini 6 Pro will shoot 6K video. It will shoot this massive resolution at 30 frames per second. It will also shoot crystal clear 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second. This gives you ultra smooth, slow motion. For creators in the US and Europe, 6K video is the ultimate cheat code. It provides incredible flexibility in the editing room. You can crop your footage. You can reframe your shot. You can even add post-production camera movements like digital pans and zooms. You can do all of this while still delivering a pristine 4K final master to your clients or your YouTube channel. On top of that, there are strong rumors of a dual camera system. This dual camera setup is making its way right into the tiny Mini 6 Pro chassis. It will feature a dedicated medium telephoto lens. Imagine having the optical compression of a 48mm lens. Imagine getting that beautiful cinematic background blur. Now imagine having all of that right in the palm of your hand. It turns the Mini 6 Pro from a simple travel drone into a professional multi-tool. It becomes perfect for high-end client work and cinematic storytelling. Now, let us talk about how you are actually going to protect this flying powerhouse. The safety tech on this drone is getting a generational leap. Crashing a drone is every pilot's worst nightmare. The rumors suggest that the Mini 6 Pro will fix this. It will feature a fully miniaturized and next-generation LiDAR nightscape system. Let me explain how this changes everything. Traditional drone vision sensors are just regular cameras. They rely entirely on ambient light to see obstacles. If it gets dark outside, those sensors simply turn off. Your drone becomes completely blind. LiDAR changes the game completely. It works by firing microscopic laser pulses in all directions. It uses these lasers to map the environment in real-time 3D. It does not need any light at all to see. This means the Mini 6 Pro will have omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It will work even in absolute and pitch-black darkness. You could confidently fly this drone through a dense and unlit forest at midnight. The onboard AI would gracefully weave the drone through the tree branches. It would do this without a single scratch. This level of autonomous safety has never been seen in a consumer drone of this size. It completely opens up the possibilities for safe night flying. You can track subjects in the dark. You can get shots that were previously way too risky to attempt. And that brings us to the most crucial aspect of the entire DJI Mini lineup. We need to talk about the weight. The absolute magic of the Mini 6 Pro is the engineering. DJI is packing all of this flagship-level technology into a tiny body. They fit the stacked sensor, the dual cameras, and the LiDAR system into an aircraft that weighs exactly 249.9 grams. Viewers in the US, the UK, and Canada know exactly why this magic number is critical. By staying under 250 grams, recreational flyers can completely bypass FAA registration. You can avoid the bureaucratic headaches of remote ID compliance. You just buy the drone, charge it, and fly it. But it is not just a massive benefit for hobbyists. It is a huge deal for professionals, too. For licensed Part 107 professional pilots in the US, a sub-250-gram drone is a legal dream. It is legally classified under Category 1 for operations over people. This means you can legally fly the Mini 6 Pro over crowds. You can fly it at weddings. You can fly it in dense urban environments. If you try to fly a heavier Mavic 3 Pro or an Air 3 over those crowds, you would face massive fines. You would require FAA waivers that are almost impossible to get. The Mini 6 Pro is not just a high-end travel drone. It is a legally bulletproof loophole. It allows professional operators to capture premium footage that is otherwise legally restricted. Of course, to fly confidently in those complex urban environments, you need a flawless connection. Losing your video feed is terrifying. That is why the DJI Mini 6 Pro is stepping up to the brand new O5 transmission system. This is a significant upgrade from the O4 system. The O5 system is heavily optimized for absolute interference resistance. The leaks point to an absolutely staggering 25-kilometer maximum range. Now, you must always maintain visual line of sight legally. You should never actually fly 25 kilometers away. But this massive transmission power means signal penetration is phenomenal. Imagine flying in heavy interference zones. Imagine downtown Manhattan or central London. You're surrounded by thousands of competing Wi-Fi signals and massive steel skyscrapers. In the past, your drone signal would drop out completely in those areas. But the O5 system pushes through all of that noise. It ensures your video feed remains crystal clear and entirely lag-free. You will always know exactly what your camera is seeing. Another surprising leak is the battery life. Keeping a drone under strict weight limits usually means sacrificing battery capacity. You just cannot put a heavy battery in a light drone. But DJI has reportedly made a massive breakthrough for 2026. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a new high-energy solid-state hybrid battery. Solid-state technology packs way more power into a much smaller and lighter package. The standard battery will reportedly give you an incredible 45 minutes of flight time, and it will do this while keeping you strictly under the legal weight limit. That alone is amazing. But DJI is taking it a step further. If you do not mind going over the weight limit and registering the drone, you have another amazing option. The new Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is rumored to push the flight time to an unbelievable 60 minutes. Think about that for a second. You get a full hour of uninterrupted flight time on a single charge. This fundamentally Angie's how you plan a video shoot. You do not have to stress about the battery blinking red. You can launch your drone and take your time. You can scout your location from the air. You can find the perfect framing. You can sit there and shoot the entire sunset during golden hour. You can do all of this without ever having to bring the drone back to swap batteries. So, with all of these groundbreaking features, the ultimate question remains. Should you wait for the DJI Mini 6 Pro? Based on the latest supply chain roadmaps and FCC patent filing timelines for 2026, the wait is not too long. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is slated for a global release in the third quarter of this year. The leaks suggest the base model will start at around $949. If you want the extra batteries and accessories, the Fly More combo is expected to retail for around $1,499. Considering this drone pack's features reserved for massive professional rigs, that price is an absolute steal. It offers the best value in the sky for any creator looking to upgrade their gear. In my honest opinion, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be the most important drone release of the decade. By eliminating the compromises usually found in sub-250-gram drones, DJI has created an absolute masterpiece. The 1-inch stacked sensor alone easily justifies the upgrade for anyone who cares about video quality. When you add the LiDAR safety system and the massive 60-minute battery potential, it becomes a complete no-brainer. This single compact drone will likely replace heavy, expensive professional setups for a lot of working creators. It gives you absolute creative freedom without the heavy legal restrictions holding you back. If you want a drone that truly does it all, this is absolutely the one to wait for. That officially wraps up today's exclusive hardware deep dive here on Educational Hub. If this video helped you stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Please share this video with your fellow creators and drone pilots so they know what is coming. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our authentic tech reviews and leaks. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. Keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity, and we will catch you in the next breakdown.